The man cut his finger. His finger started to bleed. His finger is bleeding. The woman cut the banana into slices with a chopping knife. The man cut the loaf of bread into slices with a knife. The woman cut up the celery into small pieces with a knife on the chopping board. The man cut up his credit card with a pair of scissors. The man cut down the tree with a chainsaw. The fireman cut open the car door with an electric saw. The gardener cut the lawn with a lawnmower. He mowed the lawn with a lawnmower. The hairdresser cut the person's hair with a pair of scissors. The woman cut her nails with nail clippers. The woman cut up the onion with a chopping knife. The woman chopped up the onion. The hand cut the piece of paper with a pair of scissors. The man cut the pizza into slices. The man cut the red ribbon with a pair of scissors. The woman cut the salmon into portion sizes with a knife. The groom cut the cake down the middle with a knife. The woman cut her nails with a pair of scissors. The man cut the yellow pepper into pieces to put in the salad. The man chopped up the yellow pepper into pieces. The chef cut up the parsley on the chopping board. The chef chopped up the parsley. The tree worker cut the branches off the tree. The forest worker cut up the tree with a chainsaw. The butcher cut up the meat into slices in order to sell it to the public. The woman cut the sandwich in half. The man cut up the card to make different shapes. The farmer cut the hay on his tractor. The farmer cut the grass with the tractor. The man cut the log with a chainsaw. The woman cut up the pineapple into chunks. The local supermarket cut their prices. People thought they were too expensive.